Which Azure service allows organizations to securely share their applications and services with guest users from any other organization while maintaining control over their own corporate data? A. Azure Active Directory B2b. B. Azure Active Directory B2C. C. Azure Information Protection. D. Azure Security Center. The correct answer is A. Azure Active Directory B2B. Azure Active Directory B2B allows organizations to securely share their applications and services with guest users from any other organization while maintaining control over their own corporate data. Azure Active Directory B2C is for customer-facing applications. Azure Information Protection is for data protection, and Azure Security Center is for security management. A company wants to provide a seamless sign-in experience for its customers using their social media accounts. Which Azure service should they use? A. Azure Active Directory B2B. B. Azure Active Directory B2C. C. Azure Multi-Factor Authentication. D. Azure Key Vault. The correct answer is B. Azure Active Directory B2C. Azure Active Directory B2C allows companies to provide a seamless sign-in experience for their customers using social media accounts. Azure Active Directory B2B is for business partners, Azure Multi-Factor Authentication is for additional security, and Azure Key Vault is for managing secrets. What is a key benefit of using Azure AD B2B for external collaboration? A. It allows external users to access internal resources without needing a separate Azure AD tenant. B. It provides a platform for building customer-facing applications. C. It offers advanced threat protection for internal users. D. It manages encryption keys and secrets. The correct answer is A. It allows external users to access internal resources without needing a separate Azure AD tenant. Azure AD B2B allows external users to access internal resources without needing a separate Azure AD tenant, facilitating collaboration. Azure AD B2C is for customer-facing applications, advanced threat protection is a security feature, and managing encryption keys and secrets is a function of Azure Key Vault. A retail company wants to build a customer loyalty app that integrates with various social identity providers. Which Azure service is most appropriate for this scenario? A. Azure Active Directory B2B. B. Azure Active Directory B2C. C. Azure DevOps. D. Azure Sentinel. The correct answer is B. Azure Active Directory B2C. Azure Active Directory B2C is designed for customer-facing applications and can integrate with various social identity providers. Azure AD B2B is for business partners, Azure DevOps is for development operations, and Azure Sentinel is for security information and event management. Which feature of Azure AD B2C allows users to sign up and sign in using their existing social accounts like Facebook or Google? A conditional access. B. Identity protection. C. Social identity providers. D. Privileged identity management. The correct answer is C. Social identity providers. Social identity providers in Azure AD B2C allow users to sign up and sign in using their existing social accounts like Facebook or Google. Conditional access and identity protection are security features, and privileged identity management is for managing privileged accounts. An organization wants to invite external partners to collaborate on projects within their Azure environment. What is the first step they should take using Azure AD B2B? Create a new Azure AD tenant for the external partners. B. Send an invitation to the external partners to join their directory. C. Set up a VPN connection for the external partners. D. Configure Azure AD identity protection for the external partners. The correct answer is B. Send an invitation to the external partners to join their directory. The first step in using Azure AD B2b is to send an invitation to the external partners to join their directory. Creating a new Azure AD tenant is unnecessary. Setting up a VPN is not related to Azure AD B2b, and configuring Azure AD identity protection is a security measure that can be done later.